Hi, welcome to Nautek Marine. I'm Michael. I've been operating Nautek for 15 years. I wanted to talk to you about our outboard servicing that we do here. As much as we love working on all the new engines, it's very easy to service them because everything's fresh and shiny. Here's a really good example of the sort of engines that we quite happily service and can maintain. There's a lot of boats out there that are having trouble getting a good service from people that know what they're doing with one of these style of engines. So look, we're proud to say that we're always on top of it, and having someone like Michael and our team working on something like this is the best thing we can have for you guys out there. Like with anything, as it gets older, it's really important to give it more love as time goes on. It's not kind to all of us, sort of thing. So it's really important that you know what you're doing when it comes to keeping these guys going. Yeah, the engines, they're good. They just need to be cared and looked after. So what are the main maintenance things you sort of look at on an older engine regularly, Michael?
Well, the main things are, the most important thing of any outboard engine is the water pump. So that should be changed every 50 to 100 hours or yearly. Carburation fuel systems, they have to be checked, make sure there's no cracks in the fuel lines that can cause a fire. And the ignition system, make sure everything is in tune, hasn't changed in timing, and so it all runs really well.
It's always one of the harder things on the older engines is getting all those components coming together. All right, so it's the spark, it's the fuel, and having the electrical system and creating all those at the same time, and maintenance. The older they get, like I said, the more love they need. So yeah, good one. It's good to see you on top of it. Small engines have to be serviced, and they need just as much care as a large engine, for sure. And as you can see, there's a lot of componentry here, which makes them in so many ways just as technical as their big brothers. So it's important that caring for your little engines, whether it be on your trailer, sailor, or your little yacht, get as much care as they can when it comes to your annual servicing and your maintenance along the way, and you'll get a long, good life out of them as well. When we do our engine servicing, it's not just about the engine. We do the trailer inspection, we do the full vessel inspection, safety gear. So it's not just walking away with an engine service, it's walking away with the peace of mind that your boat's ready to go for the season when you hit the water.